So guys, I'm done with treating my edges. If you want to grow long and fuller edges, if you're experiencing receding edges at any point in your hair, then this particular video is for you. Your edges are going to grow and they're going to fill in very nicely. I kid you not, this is tried and tested, just like every other tips I bring on here. I don't just go on and just start to ramble. I tell you things I have done and I have tried and they have worked on not just me, but so many people. So guys, thank you guys for subscribing, engaging, and if you want to see the video, I'll put it here. Okay, bye. Yeah, so guys, welcome back to my video. So I just wanted to show you guys that I actually do use this a lot. These are video clips of different days, but I just wanted you to know that I legit use this. So this is good for taking both internally and for using it externally. So I've used this to thicken my hair and regrow edges. I just naturally just love it. I love to spray it on. So I'm going to show you how I make it. So this is me on the stove top boiling up the ingredients. So the ingredients are just two simple ingredients: hibiscus and fenugreek. And we all know that these are two ingredients that are really beneficial to our hair. Hibiscus is such a great moisturizing herb. It helps to thicken hair, to darken hair, to increase luster in our hair. And fenugreek is like the king of all herbs for me. It's so potent. It helps to thicken hair. It helps to strengthen your hair because it has some proteinous properties, so it strengthens your hair, increases the shine, increases the manageability of your hair. It has mucilage when you break it down, by either blending or pulsing it, whatever. When you put it down, it's just really, it's slimy and it helps for easy detangling. It's packed with so much nutrient, vitamin A, B, C, and the rest. So they are really good for your hair. And the beautiful thing is that it's not just good for external application. You can actually take it internally, right? It's very good it normalizes blood sugar. Hibiscus is very good to normalize blood pressure, increase circulation and improve circulation, because at the end of the day, it's really nice. So just boil it up for a couple of minutes, just sip it like a tea, strain and just enjoy. You can actually sweeten it with honey if that's your vibe, or you can just drink it plain like that. You can put syrup, maple syrup or stevia if you're vegan, or you can just do whatever you want. This is actually something that it's so nice. Even children can enjoy it in very controlled quantities and stuff. But if you're not big on taking it internally, you can just spray it on your scalp and all over your hair, and it's going to increase shine, it's going to increase manageability. You can, at the end of the boiling stage, it's like multi-use, right? You can blend up the ingredients and then you can have your slimy detangler and all of that. So if you're into DIY like that, then this is something you should really try. So I want to try and do the VLOGMAS, short clips of things to do this Christmas, and packed with simple things you can do at home. So guys, you should encourage me by watching this video, liking it, commenting and sharing, and please subscribe if you aren't subscribed, and if you are, just you can share it to someone else to also subscribe. Let's get this video to at least 3,000 views. Thank you so much. So just enjoy. You're gonna see me at the end of the clip enjoying myself with this drink. This is legit. I take it. I'm not trying to make up something. So here I just added in a bit of honey and I'm just stirring it in. So the drink is ready to enjoy. You can enjoy it cold or hot. You know, there's no special way. Just do it to your preference and you'll be fine. So thank you guys so much, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. So something happened to me yesterday. I filmed like a whole get ready with me, chit chat with me, and I didn't realize that my battery died, so there was no audio, and that was so sad. But I was talking about something really important to me. I was talking about navigating relationships as a Christian, and how sometimes, you know, when there's this pressure to be perfect as a Christian, and yes, we're striving towards perfection, but every day is not perfect. In the Christian living, there are days when you have to give instructions, there are days when you have to bring correction, there are days when you are corrected, there are days when, you know, like you lose it really, and it's just what it is, right? It's what it is. And in those moments, oftentimes we're quick to judge and criticize our Christianity. We're quick to, hey, I thought you were a Christian. Why would you do this? I thought you were a Christian. Christianity, every day you're praying, you're speaking in tongues, or you're like this, and you're still like this. We're people under construction. Like, as Christians, like, God is continuously working on us to the level that we're yielded to the Spirit of God too. God is constantly working on us. And please let us stop being those people that bash each other's journey in Christianity. Like, when the Bible says that offenses will come in the last days, it is legit. Like, it is legit, because, you know, like, from personal experience, I've always been this person that I'm hardly ever offended. Like, I always make 1,000,001 excuses for why people do things that should naturally offend me. But lately, guys, the struggle is real. And I know that the reason why I'm struggling this much is also because my relationship with God is also, you know, challenged by the amount of distractions in the world